Welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. Today I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can delete your Shein account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on with the video. Firstly, on your device, open up the Shein app. Once you have your Shein app fully opened on your device, click on the Me option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After the Me page opens up on your screen, click on the Settings option, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. Once the Settings menu opens, find the Account Security option and click on it. After you click on the Account Security option, you'll see three options: Email Verification, Change Password and Delete Account. Now, click on the Delete Account option. After you click on the Delete Account option, a new tab will open where you will have to apply to delete your account. Once you apply to delete this account, Shein will firstly verify if this account is in safe condition, if the account order is complete, and if the wallet assets are settled. Then, after the verifications are complete, your account will be automatically deleted. I hope this video helped you to delete your Shein account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.